All right, let's break down AutoClimate, a trading tool that's kind of like a weather forecast for the market.
So think about it. Before you go on any trip, what's the first thing you always do? You check the weather, right? So you know exactly what to pack and what to expect. Well, trading is pretty much the same. You've got to know the market's climate before making a move. And that's exactly where AutoClimate Plus comes in. It's basically your own personal weather app for the market. It helps answer that huge question: should you buy, sell, or maybe just stay out of it? So how's it work? On your chart, you'll just see it as a series of simple colored dots. And the color, even the thickness of those dots, gives you an instant read on the market's direction. It all boils down to 3 simple rules. You follow these, you've got yourself a clear signal. Okay, so knowing the direction is great, but the real edge? Knowing if it's actually gonna last. And that right there is what we call market sustainability, and it's measured with some powerful stats. So let's check them out. The first number tells you the average length of a typical upmarket. You guessed it, the second number does the exact same thing, but for the down markets. And the third one, now this is the big one, tells you how long the current trend has been going. What's really cool is seeing how all these numbers work together right there on your screen.
So in this example, the uptrend has lasted 13 candles, which is way past its average of 6.
That's telling you this trend is statistically non-sustainable. A change could be coming very soon. These sustainability stats can help you avoid jumping into a trade that's already late to the party.
And why does this matter? Well, you stop trading on gut feelings and you get a real statistical edge.
By combining direction with sustainability, you're not guessing. You're trading with the market climate on your side.
If our videos help you stay sharp episode after episode, hit pause, like, subscribe, and keep learning. Your support means a lot to us.